Yeah. What could be the decision after the winning the toss?
Yeah, I think in the winning the toss, they decided that I think in the bad first couple of big totals from 80s and such a great total. Because I think your action from Muhammad Ashu. I think I'm at 29 years from my age. Because it's the same position. I think this is action today from this corner. Absolutely bowling. This is the action today. But in the same like first slip, I think in the first slip, same position again. From the left-hand batsman today, from the same position, and not the second slip today. But this one, I think in the right-hand batsman, from same position, the third slip from Wasim Akram. From away bowling this time, and action today, from around the English, and doing the swinging action today. Put an out swing and a bowling bowler from Wasim Akram in the last time from 92 World Cup again. Couple of two wickets at the back-to-back.
Oh, well, nice, good. I think this is one of the decisions after the bowling, very straight ahead.
I think the Pakistan absolutely bowling ball in the last time from side edge man, absolutely. This guys in the first one English today from this direction to the from 96 and a 15 degree here from action to the from because this so I think it's a bench from like English side again from and Rohit Chandra from current ball from same situations. But in like Pakistani bowler, everything is from unbendable to do.
Today, West Indies and Pakistan are playing together in the Sharjah.
West Indies, I think, is a dangerous team because West Indies, I like West Indies from such a great players from Kurt Gale and Andrew Russell, from Sindhi, like language from Sindhi, from Rasulo. He's a big guy. Because around it today, something as a good team from West Indies, but unfortunately, Pakistani wicket from the UAE spinner like Nawaz and like from Hamad Wasim. So bowlers are beautiful Pakistan. So win absolutely not away.
Then Pakistan is still in 10 overs, 50 overs. I think scored. I think could be
50 over. I think in the Pakistan. Because like a long way betting lineup in Pakistan. A couple of years.
Thank you very much, Mr. Tony Gledge.